Welcome to Innovative Foods. Today I'm making cheesy chicken bread roll, crispy outside, soft inside, and filled with juicy chicken and melted cheese. A perfect snack for any time of the day. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, add 110 ml warm water, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon yeast. Mix well and keep aside for 5 minutes. Add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well and make a soft dough. Rub some oil and keep aside for 40 minutes. Now prepare the filling. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 3 tablespoon onion, 2 green chilies. Saute for a minute. Add 1 cup chicken. One teaspoon ginger garlic, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cumin, and half teaspoon garam masala. Cook well. Add 3 tablespoon capsicum. Two tablespoon mozzarella cheese. Mix and keep aside. Do not overcook chicken to keep it juicy. Now prepare a flour slurry. Take 1/4 cup flour, half cup water. Mix well. Rest the dough properly for a soft texture. Now take some dough. Roll it out. Place cheese slice. Add cooked chicken mixture. Fold as shown to make a roll. Seal the rolls well before frying. Dip in flour slurry and coat with breadcrumb. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. Fry on medium heat for even crispiness. Bread rolls are popular street snacks worldwide. Cheese adds the rich and creamy texture. Crispy coating makes it extra delicious. This snack is loved by kids and adults alike. Chicken provides protein and energy. Homemade snacks are more hygienic. You can control oil and spices. Adding vegetables increases nutrition. Your crispy cheesy chicken bread roll is ready. Serve hot with your favorite dip. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovent Foods for more easy and delicious recipes.